Hey family, I want to come on here and share with you how to build your business credit the right way. Yes, the right way. And I'll show you the step-by-step sequence how to build it the right way. So lenders will approve you for loans, you won't get turned down. And so I'm gonna jump right into it, man. The first thing you need to do is get a business name. You don't need to file an entity. You don't need to file with the Secretary of State yet. That's at the end. The first thing you need is get a business name. And the reason why your business name is important because your business can be, if you get the wrong name, it can be high risk. So what happens is if you get a business name, say with credit, finances, transport, things like that will make your business high risk. And what happens when you go to get funding for your business, what happens is they decline you or give you a low funding. Because of the name, your business name is high risk. And so stay away from those names, man. Consulting has become a bad name because everybody has ran it out. Solutions, keep it very generic. You don't get too technical with your name, Starbucks, Walmart. They got simple names. And never get a business telling what you do. If you're a restaurant, just say, or say you're a beautician, use your name. Don't get so technical with the name and that you put what you do in the name. And that's what I'm trying to say. Don't put what you do inside your business name. It would hurt you in the long run. The second thing that we need to do is set up a business address. It's very important. A lot of people, since Corona happened, a lot of people are using home address. And some of the time it's working, but I've got this company that I use. It's called Anytime Mailbox. Anytime Mailbox. And basically you can get a virtual address for only like 10 to 15 bucks a month. Yeah, 10 to 15 bucks a month. So it's called Anytime Mailbox, man, because the location, well, you don't want to get a P.O. box. A lot of people are going to iPostal. They're not good. Don't go to iPostal. Anytime Mailbox. Or, for me, I started off using my home address because I didn't know any better. And some lenders are very lenient when it comes to the home address now. So it can help you, but to be on the safe side, use a virtual address. It looks better on paper to the lenders. So the third thing you need is a professional phone number, a 188 number, a 1-800 number. Basically, you don't want to use your personal phone number. You want to look like a business. You want to look like a business, and what you can do is how the company got it set up. Basically, you can attach your cell phone to that virtual that phone number that you have. So when they call, it'll come straight through your phone. Your personal cell phone number. So that's another thing you can use. The fourth thing you need is a professional email. No Gmail, no, any type of regular Gmail. You need like something with your business name on it at Outlook, something like that. Something looks more professional as a business. Don't use Gmail. Don't use Gmail. Don't use Yahoo. Don't use those type of emails because they're not gonna, you're gonna lose some credibility. And it's all about being credible to the lenders. When you go and ask them for $40,000-$50,000, you want to look credible. You want to look like you have a professional business. And so everything has to look good. And I'm gonna give you the sequences. And if you follow these certain sequences, I'm telling you, when you start your business, you're going to get approved. So the fifth thing you need to do is register with 411. Basically, the reason why you want to register with 411, you want to make sure that your business has an online presence. They want to see that your business has an online presence. So you have to register with 411 so that they can see that you're a legit business. The sixth thing you have to do is you got to get a website. You got to get a website, a professional, or you can get a landing page. It don't take much. There's plenty of companies here. You got AI creating websites. You have, these companies charging like $150 to build your website. You know, you can go to GoDaddy. A lot of places can build you a quick website. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a website. You don't need to make it so out of this world. You know, you just need a personal website. And actually, a lot of people are not using websites no more. I mean, you know, getting customers in, but it makes your business look more professional to the lenders when you have that website. So the seventh thing is getting your ENI. Now we get into the meat and potatoes of the, you know, the part where you got to go and get your stuff in writing, everything in place. Now you go get your ENI number. And basically, I'll tell you, do it, go get it. It's free. A lot of people are going to, when you go online and do it, somebody's going to try to charge you, tell you they could do it for a certain price. It's totally free. Totally free. Totally free. So go online, get your ENI number. It's basically your social security number for your business. You got to get this, man. You got to get that. You got to get that. And remember, it's totally free. There will be some pop-ups that come up and say they'll charge you $59, $69 to get this. No, it's free. You don't have to pay nothing for your ENI number. And the eighth step is filing with your Secretary of State. The reason why I did this order, the last thing you do is file your Secretary of State, is because you want your name, address, email, all that stuff when you file with the Secretary of State to match. Because when these lenders pull your information, they're going to go and look at your Secretary of State, your articles of organization for your state. That's what they're going to look at first. So everything, that's why we did all that step 1, step 2, step 3. We did that in order so you have all that stuff before you file with the Secretary of State to get your orders of organization. And the third, and the last thing you do is get your bank account, man. Get your bank account. Go any bank. You know, most of the time I tell my clients go with 3 different banks. You go to National Bank, you go to Regional Bank, and you go to Credit Union. And so, but when you're starting out, just get one bank. But as you grow, I like to tell my clients to get 3 different banks so that when you need, because each level has different things that they're good at. Credit union is good for this, regional bank is good for this, and national banks are good for something else. So these are the steps to get your business credit doing it the right way, man. Follow these steps, man. Follow these steps. Follow these steps. I'm putting a link in the comments. If you want to book a time with me, a one-on-one strategy call with me, where I can actually go line by line and give you more detail. Or I also put in the comments my link to my school community where I give out free information. So I'd like to see you, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Do it the right way the first time so you don't have to go back the second time. Y'all be blessed.